how to make steamer inhalations for cough, sinusitis and more. Vapors or steam inhalation is helpful in relieving the congestion of bronchitis, the common cold and various respiratory and sinus disorders. Inhaling steam decongests the paranasal sinuses and pulmonary ducts, allowing mucus to be removed, breathing more easily and healing more quickly. To produce steam, use water only, or add herbal or fresh herbs or water-based herbs to intensify the effects of treatment. Process: place hot water in a sink or pot. In most cases, you can choose the method that seems most convenient. However, if you are using dry or fresh herbs, it is best to use a glazed pot or glass instead of a sink. Valise or inhalation with pot. When using dry or fresh herbs, use only a glazed pot or glass. This is important because metal pots steal some of their medicinal properties from the herbs. If you are going to use only water, any kind of pot will do. Fill a large pot with water and boil. Then remove the pot from the heat and place it on a heat-proof surface and at a suitable height to make the inhalations. When the water stops bubbling, you can add fresh or dried herbs, or a few drops of essential oil. Then allow the water to cool slightly and place the head on the pot and inhale the steam. Put a towel around the head to catch the steam, as if it were a tent. In general, between 5 and 10 minutes are enough to relieve congestion, but if you wish, you can prolong the session. Keep your face at a safe distance to avoid burning or irritating the skin. This is particularly important when it comes to a child, since their skin is more sensitive to heat. Whichever method you choose, after each steam inhalation treatment, breathe deeply several times to decongest the lungs. Repeat therapy is needed. Plants used in steam inhalations. The plants: the horse's claw, comfrey, eucalyptus, fennel, fenugreek, horseradish, licorice, lobelia, pulmonaria, gordelabo, pleurisy root, thyme and verbena are expectorants that facilitate the removal of mucosa from the throat, lungs and paranasal sinuses. Burdock, guinea fowl, Irish moss, marshmallow, mullein, peach and elm bark are emollients, soften and relieve irritation of mucous membranes. These herbs can be used alone, combined with each other, or combined with the herbs mentioned above. Inhalations as a home remedy. Valise or inhalations for bronchitis. Mix 50 grams of mint leaves, 40 grams of first spring buds, 30 grams of sorrel root and 20 grams of smaller horsetail and pour into 2 liters of water that is boiling. Cover your head with a towel and inhale this preparation. This remedy stops inflammation and strengthens the lungs. Valise or inhalations for sinusitis. Inhale water vapor with salt for 5 minutes every hour. 1. Put a couple of drops of eucalyptus oil in a container containing warm water. Then inhale the steam that is generated. 2. Put equal parts of water and vinegar in a bowl and add 1/2 clove of chopped raw garlic. Heat on low heat. When it reaches the boiling point, remove from the fire and inhale.
Ask you 3 favors. 1. Share with your friends and family. 2. Subscribe. 3. Give it a like.